Hello! In this video I will show you how to add eSIM on Google Pixel 9. So you have to start by opening your settings application and then click on Network and Internet, then click on SIMs and here click on Setup an eSIM. Now you have to scan your QR code. And now click on Setup. Here you have to enter your verification code. And now you have to wait for your eSIM to be downloaded. Now you can click Finish. And as you can see, my eSIM is now active. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.